Are you wondering why you're having that sensitivity on your scar? Whenever you have surgery, doesn't matter what kind of surgery, you'll have that hypersensitivity on your scar. And in this video, I will explain to you why. This is Reggie from Result Plus Physical Therapy. And I want to explain to you, this is a question I hear a lot from my post-op patients, because I see a lot of them on a daily basis. And I want to address this. I want to explain to you why this is the case, because I see that even online as well, that question being posed. So now this is the explanation. Whenever you have surgery, whenever they cut the skin, it's unavoidable that you will cut those nerve endings. There's no way that you can cut the skin without damaging those nerve endings or those the parts of those nerves. Now, what happens is whenever you cut the nerve, the nerves are the kind of like they're the highway, or if you look at it as an electrical wire, it connects your receptors, let's say your skin, to to the part of the brain that will interpret what that sensation is. So now you have an electrical wire because the nerve impulses, those are electrical signals that goes from your skin to your brain. Imagine cutting that wire. Then there's no way for that electrical signal to travel to your brain for you to interpret what sensation you just felt, right? So that's what happens when you cut the nerve, when you cut those nerve endings. And what the body will do is it will try to heal itself. It will try to regenerate. So when the nerve is cut, you'll feel numb. But as the nerves try to regenerate, they try to connect with each other again. And that's what that hypersensitivity is. Initially, when the nerves are like just trying to connect, but there's no specific direction, and they just connect to each like any other nerve endings there, you will get that hypersensitivity because the nerves are not perfectly attached. Now, when the nerves are attached completely, and then you will get your normal sensation back. If not, you can either be left with numbness in that scar, or you can have that hypersensitivity for a period of time. All right. So that is a simple way that I can explain why you have that hypersensitivity on the scar. All right. On the next video, I will teach you some ways that you can improve the sensation of that scar, and you can get rid of that or lessen that hypersensitivity. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification so you can have an alert when that next video comes out next week. Appreciate your time for watching this video, and share this with other people that you love so that way they can be informed if they had surgery as well. Okay. Again, thank you very much, and I appreciate you.